nitrogen fixation. First step we discussed in earlier lecture, nodal formation. Okay. Now, in nitrogen fixation, as I told you in earlier lecture, the definition of nitrogen fixation. Okay. Reduction or conversion of molecular nitrogen into NH3 by the help of living organism is considered as biological nitrogen fixation. Here, reduction takes place, okay, of molecular nitrogen into ammonia. Now, for this process, there are certain requirements here. Okay, the first requirement is nitrogenase enzyme. First requirement is nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, this nitrogenase enzyme is made up of two subunits. Okay, this nitrogenase enzyme is made up of two subunits. First is Fe protein. It means iron protein, which is a non-hemoglobin protein. Okay, which is non-hemoglobin protein. And second one is a molybdenum iron protein. And second one is a molybdenum iron protein. Now, the second requirement is leg hemoglobin. Second requirement is leg hemoglobin. Okay, this leg hemoglobin is found in leguminous plant, the roots of leguminous plant or the nodules of leguminous plant. Now, this leg hemoglobin acts as oxygen scavenger. Okay, this acts as oxygen scavenger. It means it creates the environment of the condition which is required by the nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, earlier lecture, as I told you here, nitrogenase enzyme can work only during anaerobic condition. That's why this leg hemoglobin provides condition of the environment for working of nitrogenase enzyme. Now, the third requirement is hydrogen donors. Okay, there are different type of hydrogen donors play important role during nitrogen fixation. Pyruvic acids, okay, glucose and sucrose. These are the hydrogen donors. Okay, now ATP is required during the nitrogen fixation or the reduction of nitrogen into ammonia. Okay, higher amount of ATP is required here. Now, next requirement is carbon compound to bind with ammonia. Okay, carbon compound to bind with ammonia. This is the requirement during nitrogen fixation. Now, this is the structure of nitrogenase enzyme. This is the structure of nitrogenase enzyme. This nitrogenase enzyme binds with the two molecular nitrogen. It means N2. Okay, N2. Now, this is the molecule of nitrogen. This is the again molecule of nitrogen, and these two nitrogen binds with the three bonds here. Okay, these two nitrogen binds with the three bonds. Now, these nitrogenase enzymes can bind with nitrogen. Two nitrogen atoms are here. Okay, with the help of three bonds in between them. Now, again, another type of enzyme play important role here, which is known as a hydrogenase enzyme. Which is known as hydrogenase enzyme. This hydrogenase enzyme would help to provide hydrogens. Would help to provide hydrogen. Okay, for the nitrogen fixation process. Now, as I drawn here, this is a nitrogenase enzyme. Okay, having the presence of two nitrogen. Now, during this process, this hydrogenase enzyme helps to provide hydrogen. Okay, here nitrogen. Okay, during the reduction of this nitrogen, one hydrogen is bind here. One hydrogen is bind here. Okay, one hydrogen bind with each nitrogen. One hydrogen bind with each nitrogen molecule. Okay, and to break the bond in between these. Okay, as I shown you here, there are three bonds. Okay, but there is no hydrogen. As I shown you here. Okay, there is a nitrogen which having two bonds because one bond is break here. Now, one electron is released from this structure. Okay, again, this nitrogenase having two nitrogen atoms. Okay, now one bond is left in between two nitrogen atom here. Again, electron is free from this structure and one hydrogen is added here. one hydrogen is added here. Now two hydrogens are attached with nitrogen, one nitrogen. Okay, two hydrogen are attached with or binds with one nitrogen atom here. Okay, and only one atom, only one bond is remaining here in this structure. Now further, this is the structure of nitrogenase enzyme as I told you here. Okay, these are the nitrogen atoms. These are the nitrogen atom. There is no remain of any bond in between two nitrogen atoms. Okay, there is no left any bond in between nitrogen. Okay, now again one hydrogen is added here. Now the structure is NH3. Okay, NH. Here the reduction of nitrogen is completed. Here the reduction of nitrogen is completed, and now the formation of twice NH3. Okay, formation of twice NH3, and these nitrogenase enzyme set free after the reduction. Okay, or after the formation of ammonia, two molecules of ammonia. Now for the synthesis of ammonia, okay, by nitrogenase enzyme, for the synthesis of ammonia, nitrogenase enzyme requires high input of energy. Okay, it requires high input of energy, that is 8 ATP. That is 8 ATP. Each formation of each ammonia, it requires 2 ATP. Okay, that's why it is required 8 ATP. Okay, it is required 8 ATP here. Okay, now NH3 synthesis by nitrogenase require high input of energy. Now energy required is obtained from host plant during respiration. You know very well this whole process is considered as biological nitrogen fixation. Okay, and this takes place in the roots of leguminous plant. And in that roots or nodules, okay, there are certain nitrogen fixing bacteria resides. Okay, now for this purpose, this energy required, okay, which is obtained from host plants. Okay, from host plants during their respiration. Okay, during host plants respiration, this energy will obtain. Now this whole equation, which is summarized here, okay, N2 plus 8 electron plus 8 protons plus 16 ATP. Okay, it gives twice NH3 plus H2 plus 16 ADP plus 16 inorganic phosphate. Okay, these is considered as reduction of atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia. Atmospheric nitrogen, okay, converts into